Well, I haven't made a marble machine for a little while, so here is the marble machine. I'm going to turn it on so you can see how it behaves from above. It was pain in the high knee, but it works. So I'm very pleased that it actually works and I didn't have to do any alterations. And it works pretty nice and smooth. Now I'm going to shut this off and I'm going to dump these marbles. Put them over here. The reason I'm doing that is so I can show you. I should have probably just put in one. There we go. Put these marbles out. There we go. So you can see how intricate it is. I thought I'm going to leave this camera on, but I think I'm going to just slide it over. Anyway, it's I had to put a battery in here, two AAA batteries, and I put a switch over here, and that was not in that deal. But I was going to print a box for it and stuff, but I decided I'm just going to leave it alone. But you can see it. It has a from the side view. It's also very impressive. As a matter of fact, I think from the side, it looks better than from above. And then this is how the back looks like. I think the front is the nicest one because it has this cascading line, this wave, I mean, and I'm very pleased with it. It's something that I wanted to make for a long time, and finally, when I saw it, I said to myself, "Well, I better make one." So this is just a quick little video. I'm not gonna talk much about it. I'm gonna put in a couple of marbles or ball bearings. Actually, I should say. Oh, let's add one more. What the heck? Well, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and that always counts. And have a fantastic day.